What's good, everybody? It's your boy Tank back with another video, and today we're hopping into the Animals, the House of the Rising Sun. I've never heard of the Animals. I'm not gonna lie to you, it was requested, so I'm gonna get to it. So if you do like the Animals, make sure you slap that like button and let me know that you want to see more. The Led Zeppelin video the other day did insane. I appreciate it so much. It's only been up for a day and it's already got 35 likes. That is insane, guys. I appreciate it so much. So if you don't mind hitting that little red subscribe button right there, just click it. Real simple and easy. Go ahead and hit that like button. I've not even heard this song, but I'm gonna like it anyway. Let's go ahead and hop into it.
In New Orleans, they call the rising sun, and it's been the ruin of many a poor boy. In God, I know I won.
Alright, Pete, I see why you hit me with this. You wanted me to hear the vocals. Say less. That man has a hard accent, though. He's a New Orleans. New Orleans. Come on, he's got an accent. Don't let him play you. You might not be able to hear it behind his voice. Hey, hear me out. Have you seen the movie? What was the movie? It was Will Ferrell, or the guy that looks like Will Ferrell. I'm not even sure. It was kind of like Walk the Line, but it wasn't Walk the Line. It was. Oh my God! I can't. Fuck! What is it? Anyways, I swear, this is the scene from that movie. They had to be making fun of it. It was based in old time. It was based whenever Elvis Presley and all them were out. I'm not sure if they were throwing shots at the Animals, but it looks like it to me. And it's gonna down the line. No. Ah, man, I can't even remember. If I end up remembering it, I will put it in the comments below. Because, man, that's gonna eat at me. I need to know what movie it was from. Okay, hold on, I gotta put it on pause because this man has like the voice of an angel. Don't get me wrong, but angels be trying to put you to sleep. This is kind of like Stairway to Heaven. I'm over here fighting yawns right now. I've been up since 5 o'clock. It's getting to me. Man, why you do this to me, Pete?
In the house of the rising sun.
I can't get over it. Hold on, I gotta listen to it one more time because it's coming to an end. And I gotta hear this big note one more time. Why'd they leave my man over here like that? They all left the room. But you can't walk up out the room with that. Alright, and that was The Animals, The House of the Rising Sun. His daddy was a gambling man down in New Orleans. But anyways, if you guys do want to see more of The Animals, let me know because this is from 1964. This was before my dad was born. Like, this was probably before he was even thought of. So, let me know because it's gonna stretch me out a long time frame. It's 2020. I've been reacting to the 90s music. Now y'all are gonna take me all the way back to 1960. Man, oh man. But anyways, make sure to slap that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate it so much. It's been your boy Tank. Later.